How to connect locally on Telegram in 2026. Ever wondered why the People Nearby button disappeared from your Telegram menu? In late 2024, Telegram officially retired that feature to prioritize user safety and stop the spread of spam bots. But that doesn't mean you can't connect with your local community. Today, I'm going to show you the official, safer way to find local groups and businesses that has replaced the old system. To find local activity now, start by opening Telegram and tapping the Contacts tab. From there, select Find People Nearby. You'll notice the list looks different. The Individual People section is gone, replaced by Businesses Nearby. This is where you can find verified local shops and services. If you are looking for people, scroll down to the Groups Nearby section. These are public, location-based communities where you can still chat with neighbors, find local events, or join neighborhood marketplaces. Just tap on a group that looks interesting to see its recent activity and hit join to start participating. Here is an expert pro tip. Since you can no longer make yourself visible as an individual, the best way to be found by others in your area is to join one of these groups nearby and stay active. If you're a creator or a local organizer, you can even create your own location-based group by tapping Create a Local Group at the bottom of that same screen, which allows anyone within a few miles to find and join your community. Now you're ready to navigate the new, safer landscape of local Telegram. It's a great way to stay connected without the privacy risks of the old version. If this update helped you out, give the video a like and hit subscribe for more tech updates. Are you finding the new Businesses Nearby useful, or do you still miss the old profile list? Let's talk about it.